Hello, Assalamu alaikum to my viewers and welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and good. Today in this video, I bring some different jute and burlap fabric craft ideas for beginners or different viewers that are new to create these sort of jute craft ideas. You can create any of these ideas by creating different things or using different wine bottles or mason jars. You can create any of these craft ideas. If you are a new viewer to my channel and watching my video for the very first time, do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and you will receive all the updates regarding my new and previous videos. So viewers, don't go, stay with me and watch this video till the end. I hope you will love this collection and enjoy this video. In this video, I bring some new collection of different jute crafts and burlap fabric crafts for different jute craft lovers or beginners that can create these ideas at home by yourself. They can create any of these ideas, whether it can be used in their different home decoration ideas or they can decorate their rooms in a different way by creating these sort of different jute craft ideas. Viewers, as you have seen in this video, there are different creative craft ideas that are made up of different jute crafts and burlap fabric. You can create or wrap different wine bottles or mason jars with these sort of creative craft ideas, and different paper flowers or different burlap fabric flowers can be created and wrapped around these wine bottles or mason jars. You can create different other candle holder ideas or different vases and other jars can be decorated with these jute crafts to decorate. You can create any of these ideas, whether to place your different things in these jute craft holders or different other vases. You can decorate your house by placing different flower decoration ideas in it, and you can also place your different things like different jute craft jewelry boxes can be created to place your jewelry items in it, and different other jars can be used to place different things in it. I hope you will love this collection and enjoy this video, and I will remind you again, if you are a new viewer to my channel and watching my video for the very first time, do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and you will receive all the updates regarding my new and previous videos. Viewers, your response and positive feedback motivates me to bring some new ideas and collection for you. So if you have any requests, do mention in the comment section, and if you have any questions or queries regarding this video, you can also mention it in the comment section. I will answer all your questions and queries. I hope you will like this video, and if you like it, please share it on different social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram. It helps me to grow my channel and encourages me to bring latest collection or ideas for you. So viewers, keep sharing my video, keep supporting me like this. Thank you.